So, like I said, the only thing I really don't like about this bike, lack of LED headlights, and these tires kinda suck. Luckily, my old buddy Alec just bought a 4-door Defender. Came with 6-ply front and rear, BIGHORN 2.0s. They're 27 by, I think they're 9s in the front. Where is it? Yep, right here. And the rear are 27 by 11s. And boy, this is going to make a huge difference with this amount of horsepower on the way the bike handles and how it hooks. Alright, now of course this is mounted versus dismounted, so we have, 15 psi in these tires and there's 0 in these. So of course, yes, I don't want to hear it. Why is it the same size? Or why is it, how can that be a 26 on the factory and 27 Bighorn right here? It's obvious they're not mounted. Anywho, perfect tire for this ATV. We have staggered OEM rims, okay, and we have staggered tires. That's why the factory puts a staggered tire setup, because the wheels are staggered. This is an 11-inch wide rear tire, and we're going to measure it as close as we can get it. And it measures 11 3/4. I'll come over here to your factory tire and we're going to get it as good as we can. And it looks like we're right at, we'll say 9.5. We'll say 9 3/4 to be generous, but it's pretty much 9.5. So we are gaining a ton of traction in the rear. Obviously tread depth is much deeper and much more pronounced. So we have 3/4 of an inch tread depth compared to about half an inch of tread depth. So that is huge. Same with the front. And man, I am excited to get these tires. I am a Bighorn fanboy. You cannot go wrong with these tires. For ATVs, the 2.0s are great. I don't put 2.0s on any side-by-side though. I like the bigger lugs on those. For this, it's all the lug you need for this amount of horsepower. And this thing is going to dead hook. So I'm going to get these mounted and I will show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. Real quick, look at this nonsense. This is literally why I built my own four-wheeler lift. Well, my dad and I did. Blocks of wood, random jack, random small ATV jack over there. This whole thing's just cluster, but we're gonna get it. And of course, all my jack stands are right here. And my wife's gonna just love coming home with this ATV sitting with no wheels on the patio. She loves me. All the wheels are off. Really easy task, but the jack situation still sucks. Anyway, good time to show you the suspension and brake setup. Good thing to note, this ATV comes with factory arched A-arms front and rear. And there's the rear. Really nice. I mean, that's beautiful. And then, always weird to me, there's a caliper bracket back here and no caliper. Only one caliper on the rear, of course. You have a spool solid rear diff, or lack of rear diff, it's just a spool. So I understand why, it's just strange to me. And then those big old front brakes. So that's a carry down from the last gen Sportsman. So is this. Those arched A-arm is really nice. Wheels and tires. My son's lawnmower. Tomorrow we'll have it done. There you have it. The Bighorns are mounted. It looks awesome. They don't rub. Perfect fitment in my opinion. But let's talk about something that's not so great. That was at 60 foot-pounds of torque on a 3/8 torque wrench. So the spec is actually 75, and on the forums people have talked about it a lot. And it looks like all I can find for a replacement is this grade 5 maybe. you know, 10 by 1.25 stud. I can't find any grade 8 replacements, or, you know, 10.9 replacements. And I'm worried. Look at the stretch right here. Stretched it big time. I'm not happy about this. I already got some new ones ordered, but everything looks really good. And there is your rear fitment. No issues at all on either side. And then we'll show you the fender, inner fender. Plenty of room. So, highly recommended, and you can find these tires anywhere on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. They're always being taken off of side-by-sides, and they are perfect for the Sportsman 850. So if you like this video, hit that like button. I got to put another wheel stud on this thing. Subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.